If you clicked on this video, you've probably seen somebody on TikTok making thousands of dollars off of short 5 to 10 second clips, and you're wondering how you can do the same. In today's video, I wanted to go over an ultimate guide on all the different ways that you can get paid on TikTok as a creator and how you can use the platform to eventually scale your business to multiple 7 figures per year in income. Charlie has been on TikTok for the past few years, and he's grown his TikTok following to over 380,000 people, with his personal brand bringing in over $2 million per year. And now that I'm starting to get into the industry as well, I wanted to share some of the things that we've learned along the way about how to make the most amount of money possible from the platform. Be sure to watch the entire video because we're going to be going over each monetization method in order from lowest to highest paying opportunities, so that once you're done watching the video, you can immediately start taking action towards the opportunity that's best for you and your goals. Now, with all that being said, let's get into it. Starting off with number 1 is the TikTok Creator Fund. This is going to be the lowest paying monetization method out there, even though there are a lot of creators trying to get on the Creator Fund. We've heard of creators making anywhere from 2 cents to 5 cents per 1,000 views, which is basically nothing for all the hard work that you're putting into your videos. It's super hard to make a living just off of the Creator Fund alone because you need to be getting millions of views every single video, and that's pretty hard for most people out there. In order to qualify for the Creator Fund, you need 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days. You also have to be 18 years old and located in the US, UK, France, Germany, Spain, or Italy. From there, you can apply through the creator tools in your settings, input your information, and get accepted into the Creator Fund. The second monetization method that I want to talk about is TikTok live streams. For this, you only need 1,000 followers to go live, and once you're live, you can go ahead and enable donations during your live stream that allows viewers to give money directly to you. Now, I want to say this is very hard to get people to just donate on live, and it's not a big return on investment at all because you're going to be spending a lot of time on the live, and the live disappears anyways, so the views don't compound and you don't get anything over time. Instead, you just do it once and it disappears. I would go so far as to even putting this underneath the TikTok Creator Fund, because with the TikTok Creator Fund, your videos don't disappear, which means you could still get those views over time. The third monetization method on this list is sponsorships. And for this, you can earn anywhere between $200 to even $20,000 for promotional videos. This is basically where brands will pay you to mention or promote their products in your videos. And contrary to popular belief, you don't actually have to have a huge following in order to do this. Brands actually prefer smaller creators because they're more specialized and they have a specific audience. In terms of how you can get brand deals, yes, you can approach brands and businesses about sponsoring your content. You can also create pitch decks and all that kind of stuff, but it's honestly not worth your time in our opinion. It's much better to just focus on what you can control, which is the quality of your content and how consistent you are on the platform. The quality and consistency of your content is going to be building that trust with you and your audience, which is ultimately what's going to be able to pay you a lot more. If you're constantly putting out good content, brands will eventually reach out to you anyways, and you won't have to waste time or mental energy trying to reach out to them first. Plus, if you're the one reaching out to brands, then you're kind of already starting off on the defensive. But if a brand comes to you first, as a creator, you can play on the offensive and propose rates that you actually think you deserve and that you're worth. Like I said in the beginning, this can be a pretty lucrative source of income. I know one time Charlie got a sponsorship that I won't name, and they basically paid him $18,000 for 2 30-second TikToks that were unbelievably easy to make. And Charlie's not even like a big TikTok creator, right? Like there's so many TikTok creators out there with millions of followers. And so just imagine what kind of brand deals that they're getting. The only bad thing about this is that it's hard to consistently get brand deals. It's also not a good business model to focus all of your effort into brand deals, because if you're relying on another company in order to make money and pay your bills, then you can easily find yourself in financial trouble when, there's a recession and there aren't as many brand deals going out. So those are some of the activities that are kind of capped to how many views and followers that you have. But now let's move on to some of the other monetization methods on this list that can scale to over 7 figures and beyond and give you a reliable source of income. First up is going to be selling products. Now with TikTok, everybody knows that you can reach a large audience. And as a creator, you're developing trust and rapport with your audience every time that you create a video. Now with TikTok, you can't actually link any products in the description of your videos, but instead what you can do is you can send them to your link in bio, and this is where you can sell all of your digital or physical products. For example, if you have an ebook, a PDF, a guide, workbook, software, or even if you have a clothing brand. Now, one thing that I want to stress is that this doesn't work unless you're actually giving your audience value and not just trying to go for the cash grab. What we recommend is actually just giving away something super valuable for free at first in order to get people to sign up, give you their email, and become a consumer. Once you develop that trust and rapport, then you can give away something even more valuable for a cost. So for example, for your link in bio, you can have a PDF on, teaching people how to get more fit. This is something that you're going to use to just get their email, get them to say yes, and give them as much value as you can for free. Once they go through that PDF and they start getting all the value from it, that's when you can start giving them the opportunity to consume something else of yours that's a lot more in-depth, a lot more valuable, and something that will be able to give them as much value as possible while also supporting your business. So this could be something like a one-on-one coaching for fitness, or maybe even an in-depth course that you spend a lot of time making that can teach them everything they need to know about fitness. The next monetization method on this list is affiliate marketing. And with this business model, you can easily scale to over 7 figures just by promoting other businesses' products and services. Basically, by promoting other products and services, you can earn a small commission every time someone clicks on your unique link and decides to buy. This is super easy to get into because you don't have to actually build out something yourself. Instead, you could just find a good product or service that fits with your audience and make engaging content with it that can go viral while also giving people as much value as possible. Okay, so here I am on TikTok. This creator right here, Heart Defensor, you can see that all she does is just make really aesthetic videos showcasing a bunch of different products. And if I could just go ahead and click on the very first video, you can see it's just a video of her unboxing this pillow mug. And you can see right here, she says link in bio, and she hashtags it Amazon finds and Amazon must-haves. So I guess she got this from Amazon, but as you guys can see, it has 140,000 likes and 153 comments. So if I go ahead and click on her link page, you guys are gonna see that the pillow mug is right there. And if I go ahead and click on that, it's gonna go ahead and send me to the Amazon store. Now from here, I can see that the price of a pillow mug is gonna be $30. And typically for the Amazon affiliate program, they normally give you about 2 to 3% on every sale. So it's not a lot of money, but if you take into account how many views she's getting per video, this can definitely add up to a lot of money, especially if you take into account how many other products and videos she has. And if you take a look at some of these videos, some are getting 6 million views, 2 million views. This is just one example of somebody who's definitely killing it in the affiliate marketing game. The best thing about this is that you don't actually need a crazy amount of followers in order to achieve success. You just have to give enough value to the point where your followers trust you and want to actually click on the affiliate links and buy the product. Some really good affiliate networks for you guys to check out are going to be ShareASale, Impact Radius, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, and more. So we'll go ahead and leave links down in the description for you guys to check them out. And I know I shared an example of somebody doing unboxings for random household items and just aesthetic things that you can buy, but affiliate marketing really applies to anything. For example, making gaming videos on TikTok, you can go ahead and set up links to your link page for a keyboard, mouse, even a PC that you use. And so this is a really good way to generate a ton of affiliate commissions, even if you're a small channel. Let's say Amazon is selling the keyboard that you use for $100, and let's say there's a 3% commission on that. That basically means you're gonna be making $3 for every affiliate sale. And if you're able to make really targeted TikToks about it and reach a ton of people, and you get, let's say, 100 people to buy the keyboard, you're gonna be making $300 in affiliate commissions. And like I said before, these videos will continue to get views over time because they don't disappear. And so even if you've posted it like a few months ago, you're gonna have people that are gonna be watching the video, liking, commenting, and you're gonna have them eventually convert into people that buy the product. Something else that you can do is you can actually reach out to the brands directly. And oftentimes you could just find them if you search up their name and then just include affiliate program in the search. So for example, like Nike, right? Just search up Nike and then affiliate program. You'll go ahead and get sent to the page where you can apply for their affiliate program. The next way that you can monetize on TikTok is to actually just teach others how to make good TikToks. This can scale to a business making over 7 figures per year because once you've created a ton of TikToks and you've learned the algorithm and you're good at making engaging videos that get tons of views, you could teach others how to use the platform. And because that knowledge and experience is so useful, you could charge a ton of money for it. And there's tons of ways that you can go about this, right? You don't just have to, offer your service. You can also just create tutorials online for like YouTube. You can go ahead and write blog articles. And yeah, this can be a super lucrative business model because, there are tons of businesses out there that don't have the time and knowledge to do TikTok marketing. And this is where you can come in and offer your services. We recommend niching down and doing specific services for businesses and industries that you're an expert in. That way you can charge more for your specialized services, but we actually recommend to offer your services for free for the first 1 or 2 clients. This way you can use them as testimonials and ask them for referrals. And from there, there, your business will pretty much be spread through word of mouth, and you can even create TikToks in order to market your services. Okay, the last way that you can monetize on TikTok is to actually just use it to grow your other social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube. These two platforms are ultimately going to be where the money is, and if your goal is to scale your social media business or personal brand to over 7 figures per year, then these two platforms, especially YouTube, is going to be the one that you want to focus on. Right now, TikTok is one of the best platforms out there for organic outreach. So easy to make a 5 to 10 second TikTok that has the potential to reach millions. But in order to maximize the outreach, you're going to want to try to convert these views into Instagram followers and YouTube subscribers. It's simply because of the fact that for everything, these platforms pay way more than TikTok, right? Like Instagram sponsorships pay way more than TikTok. YouTube sponsorships pay even more than Instagram and TikTok. And YouTube also has a ton of other opportunities like making money through YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing, and all the things that you can do with TikTok, except for the fact that you can also link stuff in the description of your videos. Plus, affiliate marketing is a lot stronger for long form content because if somebody watches a 10-minute video, they're much more likely to trust you compared to the average TikToker that scrolls onto your video. In conclusion, all the stuff mentioned on this list requires hard work and it takes time. You know, it's not gonna all come right away, and you need to be able to put in the reps and learn over time from your mistakes and the feedback that your audience gives you. Social media is all about just finding a way to make yourself unique and also just giving value. So like we talked about, it's good to niche down, and if you can solve a problem and give value to a specific industry, you'll see a lot more growth and monetization opportunities compared to somebody else who's starting out way too broad. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please be sure to leave a like and comment down below what you guys thought was the most helpful. But anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping out new entrepreneurs and content creators looking to start their own business. And yeah, that's all for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.